In this video, we will learn how to install the current Eclipse version on Windows 11. We will also run a sample Java program after installing. Eclipse comes pre-installed with Java, so there is no need to install Java separately. Go to the web browser. On Google, type Eclipse and hit enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. We will reach the official website, and now we can see the downloads page also. Go below, and here the download button is visible. Click on it. Select the first one, that is for 64-bit Windows operating system. Click download x86_64. On clicking, you will reach the following. Here is the exe file which will download. You can directly click on here to download it. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The Eclipse installation started. We will select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click here. It by default selected the Java version. Select the current version 26.0.1. I already told you that there is no need to install Java because it comes pre-installed. Our installation will get saved in the following location. It will create a start menu entry as well as a desktop shortcut. Click the install button. Click accept now. Now Eclipse will get installed. Let's wait. Meanwhile, for a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have installed Eclipse. The desktop shortcut generated. Directly click the launch button. Now Eclipse will open for the first time. Select the workspace. Eclipse workspace is a place where all your project files, folders and resources will get saved. Keep it as it is. Keep this as default so that there is no need to set it again and again. Click launch. Eclipse will open for the first time. Eclipse opened for the first time. Let us create a new project. Go to File, click New, click Java Project. Here add the project name. Let's say I'll just mention the project name as Amit application. The default location of the project is visible. It is the same Eclipse workspace location I informed you before. The execution environment is Java 26. Uncheck this. It is not required for a basic project. That is module-info is not required right now. Click next. Click finish. Our project created successfully. Here let us create a new Java file inside our project. Right click, click new, select class. Let's add the class name. Let's say our class name is demo. Let's add the package also. So a package can include multiple classes. Here we are only adding a single class, that is demo, under com.studiopedia. When I'll click finish, it will automatically add the .java extension. I'll select public static void main, click finish. Now our file created successfully. Here the package is also visible, that is com.studiopedia. Let us print something. To print in Java, use system.out.println. Whatever I'll add inside this will get printed. So here I am printing my name, Amit Diwan. Go to File, click Save All. To run it, click here, Run demo.java. Our output successfully printed Amit Diwan. That is, I told you, whatever we will add inside this will get displayed. For a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.